Alright guys, so here as you can see it's 7 p.m. I'm turning off my phone. I like gold here to break it up. Similar to the play that we actually took earlier this morning. It's coming back down. It's hitting that red trend line again. So I want to take a small position here, long position, hoping to get that rebound here. That's what I'm aiming for. So I do like it here. I'm going to go ahead and set our stop loss. This is just a continuation. I'm thinking it continues up from earlier today's, so that's what we're aiming for. Stop set is sell, and we'll see what happens later on. Alright guys, we're back here. It's about to hit our stop loss. Not much we can do. Sometimes it just doesn't work, and we'll take our loss here guys, down $36 for the day so far. Good morning guys, it is around 7:52 a.m. We did take that small loss, obviously, on $36, nothing crazy on gold. Trying to go up, going longs on it, but now it's actually looking really good for shorts. But I missed my entry. You see this is starting to break this. This would be our stop loss right there. And our entry would have been either this candle or this green candle right here. And now it's a little too much because now it's going all the way here, from here all the way to here. The stop, I mean the risk is just not there. Could potentially keep going lower, but unfortunately I don't want to take it. As it comes back up, maybe, but then it's, this is already touching 3 times for 1, 2, 3, so that would go for longs if it breaks. So like you saw in the Nasdaq, nothing to do here either, just broke. I mean, yeah, we'll see. Also today, market closes at 1 p.m. Today's a Thursday, so we don't know what's going. Usually tends to be a little crazy. We were looking at this the other day on platinum, and look, it broke and it just went, broke these highs right here. I mean, that would have been a perfect trade right there. Perfect trade. It's just, yeah, I mean, that would have been right there. Look, guys, 1, you have 2, you have 3, and then this is just go long here, and you're going. Missed that, and this is minis. You can't go play micros and platinum, so that would have been great, but you missed that. And look at that. You just tell. I mean, that's right there. The line breaks, and it just goes. Very unfortunate. But it is what it is, guys. Let's see if we have anything else. Nope. Silver. Nope. Oil. Let's look at oil before we do anything else. We did finally broke out of this, but I believe we're not really doing much here because we're still all the way up here from this huge drop. So, yeah, I mean, we have to go to the actual candle that's forming to draw a trend line, so that's not gonna work. So we're still waiting for a move up and then come back down so we can try to make a trend line. And so oil, we're just chilling, not doing anything. Gold's the only thing I'm looking at right now, guys. Remember, markets close at 1 p.m. So if we don't get a setup today, we might just take it. Tomorrow the markets are not they're shut down, so it'll be a 3-day weekend. So maybe we'll take a small $36 loss and we'll call it a week. I think we might be breaking even for the week, which that is what it is. I think maybe it might be slightly green, but like slightly. But yeah, much we can do there, guys. That's my plan, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, we are back here. I'm gonna take a trade here, kind of a reset from this. Looking at platinum here, I do like it. I'm gonna buy one.
Order filled.
Risky trade, but I do like it. I just want to kind of get the loss so we can end up on a good note because tomorrow we're not trading. It is obviously a risky trade because platinum is minis, and it can really just go. It can go sideways really fast, but I do like it. I'm trading kind of. I wanted to catch this low, but it didn't. Wasn't able to. I wasn't. I got the alert, and so I got onto my screens. I was too late. But just looking, nothing even crazy like that. Just looking for like a nice little push up, kind of hit me to like this high right here, and that's it. Just to kind of erase this red and then the green note, and then finish the week off. And that's it. Nothing crazy. So I just wanted to go ahead and do it. Yeah, so like 40, 50 bucks, something like that. I'll go ahead and exit. I'll take my profits, and that's about it. Yeah, yeah. 35, give me like 40, and we're good. We'll exit anytime soon here. Yeah, perfect.
Order
Oh,
filled.
of course, it shuts down as it comes. All right, guys, that's it. I tried. It was a risky trade. I didn't want to do anything crazy. I was really trying to catch it here, honestly, but I missed it. So I will take the $25 loss for today. I don't want to get anything crazy and really try to get in there and really just to try to race the red. Sometimes you take a red trade. It is what it is. Now it's gonna push how much you want to bet, but that's crazy. But I'm not gonna try to get in here just because I'm gonna market close at one. It didn't work out. It didn't work out. It was just a rebound play. That's what I was betting on. I got the alert and I really wanted to hear, as you can see on the hourly. Obviously, we're still waiting for this to break from all the way from down there, so we can go shorts. But I was looking for the for the retest and kind of push up for the no 50 bucks or so. I should have waited, but it's all good. Down $24 today. We're still green for the week, like 100 bucks or 90 bucks or so. So we'll take that, guys. Go ahead, we'll take that. And then tomorrow we're not trading because it's we'll be off, and then we'll come back next Monday. So I'll see you guys. Enjoy the holiday. We'll see you soon. Bye now.